Traditionally, I play the client the first game.
Call your 8-ball.
Ooh, I know. I'm gonna call that corner pocket. Yeah, see, just like that.
Yeah.
Can't win them all. So, you ready for this?
Yes, sir.
The day is finally here.
Yep.
I'm here with Steven, and we're putting a really cool custom pool table right here. I like the rug. That's going to be cool. Traditionally, I play the client the first game. We'll see if he does better than the last one.
Well, it's been a minute. We'll find out.
All right. Here, let's show him this Q-stick rack right here. That's pretty cool. It's going to look good. The grays are going to really match and pop. Okay, fellers, let's get this thing together. There's a couple of different ways you can bond this seam right here. You can use Bondo or beeswax, and I've done Bondo for years, and the last one I did beeswax, and I really like the beeswax. So we're gonna give the beeswax another go. So Matt's gonna be the videographer, and I'll come around this side and we'll just get that seam done. We've got the table level, and this, I mean, you can almost play on it right now. There's no ridge. We just want to bond that seam. Here we go. It's a 2-torch system. Ow, you need some pliers. Here we go, got some pliers. That was burning my fingers. Maybe we should have went to YouTube University to see how it's really done. All we're really trying to do is just fill that void between the two slates, marry them. It's time for some felt. We're on the tail end of this puppy. There should be a sticker on it. This way up, be a little yellow sticker.
Yes.
Start on one corner, come up a little ways, then you come to this corner, stretch it. Takes all those wrinkles right out of it. We've got the felt all stretched. All the wrinkles are out of it. Now, for the fun part, we got to get these pockets. I like to take a little excess. I cut it off this end and staple it in there. So when I cut this and start stretching it, it's going to cover. And then the pocket, the leather pocket covers too. But there's a couple of ways to do this. I like to go in straight, and then you got to cut on a little diagonal. Okay, so as I was explaining when the battery went dead, I like to take and put a little bit of felt right there. So I've made a little triangle there. So we're going to pull it down first. There's a corner. Now, Kate, if you want to go around, fill that.
Oh, God.
Just take your knife. You can cut an X through it, or you can take it all the way out. Because that's the hole where the rail bolts on. See, that's all gray. You don't see any of the slate, you don't see any of the particle board. And then when we get the bumpers on there, the shield comes down and it's just gonna be beautiful. Stay tuned for when we put the rails and the pockets on. Isn't that pretty?
That is gorgeous.
Now, we got another bag of tricks right here. We got this table all together and it's beautiful. What do you think of the table?
It is absolutely gorgeous.
Is it what you envisioned?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Is it?
Yeah.
So we're having our traditional, the first round.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do the honors and break. So here we go. This is brand new slate too, never been played on.
Yes, sir.
Looks like I'm solid.
Like you're solid.
Okay, are we playing slop or?
No matter to me.
All right, well, I'm gonna try to put the one in the corner or the side. They travel good.
Yeah, they do.
We got lots of crap going on right there.
Yeah.
I guess I'll just bust it up.
Yeah, just busted it up.
Got one for you.
Yes, you did.
Okay, 3 in the corner. Oh, I'm gonna get beat. He hasn't played for 20 years.
No, I really haven't.
Oh, you got it. Oh,
Call your 8-ball.
ooh, I know. Yeah, see, just like that.
Yeah.
Well, can't win them all.
No.